What's up, you guys? Thank you for tuning into my channel. I just want to say hi to my old subbies and welcome to my new subbies. Thank you for coming to my channel. Just make sure you subscribe if you didn't already subscribe. Today I have an unboxing from Rosalind Beauty and I really love their nail polish. I love working with them. They're so awesome. This is like my third kit or whatever, my nail polish kit, and I love the nail polishes. I just wish they were a little bit bigger because I do go through like the colors that I use the most. I go through them fast because the bottle's small, but for it to be, on Amazon and not expensive at all, you're getting a really nice quality, nail polish. Really good. Like the coverage is really good. I only did one coat with these polishes, and I do have some jelly nail polishes that you'll see. But I'm gonna be quiet and I'm gonna let you watch the swatches. So I hope you guys enjoyed the swatches. So now we're going to get into a set. These are the colors that I chose to go with. I'm just going to freestyle it. So honestly, I didn't know what type of design I was going to do, but I did know that I wanted to use some blooming gel. And I feel like my go-to style of nail is marble. I haven't did marble in a long time. So I was like, oh, let me try some marble with the blooming gel. So I decided to choose those colors for my marble nails. And yeah, so I'm just going in with that color palette and just trying to freestyle and figure out what I'm gonna do. So right here, I'm just creating some abstract lines. I don't know what type of design I'm doing. I'm just going with the flow, doing some abstract lines, and I'm gonna let it spread out until I get the desired look, and then I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. So right here, I just went ahead and polished the yellow already, cured that for 60 seconds. Then I put the blooming gel over that yellow, and I'm going over with the red so it can, like, I'm trying to create like some flames, I guess. So it give it that fiery look that I'm going for, I guess. But yeah, then I'm gonna go, I got these foils from Walmart, and it was only like, what, $2, I think, and you have a pack of 12. And listen, these are so cute, and I'm going to use these for a lot of different sets. So I'm happy that I chose this orange one to go with my pinky nail because it's like reflective as well. So it came out like really cute. So right here, I'm just gonna use the neon orange to like create another abstract design. I don't know what I'm doing. It's just whatever, like a well, really a marble abstract design. Then I took the foil and just sprinkled it on there. I wasn't in the frame, so sorry about that, you guys. And now we're going to start our acrylic application for our ombre. Yay! And I went in with my Valentino Cottonmouth, and you guys, this is really good, the Two Guys Neutralizer. I use this for my monomer because, like I said, I live in an apartment, so I have to make sure I use that monomer because it helps with the smell a little bit. Like, not by that much, but it does help, you know. I feel like it probably would work better with their brand, but, you know, it still works. You know, it does what it's supposed to do. So right here, I'm just going in with the wet beads so I can smooth that in so that way my ombre could be seamless, you know. And I actually really like this color. This color go very well with this set. It almost matches the color of my nail bed. It's very close to the color. And I just like how it blends. It look really, really nice. And then when I get to my cuticle, I will do like not really a wet bead, but almost like in the middle, because you don't want your bead to be too wet and you don't want it to be too dry. So kind of like, you know, in the middle, because that way you still could blend it in smooth. If you notice how raspy my voice is, like, don't, just bear with me because like it is in the morning. Like that's the only time, like it's the next day, because yesterday was so chaotic. Like It was so noisy in my voiceover. But today, you see how it's nice and quiet. Everybody's sleeping. I'm up early. So it's just, like it's a little raspy. Just bear with me. It's in the morning. I'm trying to get up early, get these voiceovers done, And that's kind of like my new goal. Well, I already had this goal before, but we moving forward, moving back to this goal of doing voiceovers in the morning because later in the day, everybody's up. It's just super chaotic. I got a lot going on. So, but yeah, I'm going to just let y'all watch this acrylic application. I'm just going in after, well, actually, after this, I'm going to do a clear encapsulation. I'm going to show one nail, and that way so you can still see how I do my acrylic encapsulation. I do show that in some of my older videos, but yeah. I actually really enjoy doing encapsulations. Like, I find it therapeutic. Like, it's so fun. Like, I want to try aquarium nails. Like, the other day, I did like one nail and I wanted to try, to see if I could do it. Because, like, I always try to challenge myself to step out my box and try nail things. Like, because when I first started my nail journey, I was like, oh my God, I want to do this. I want to do nail art. I want to do this. And, acrylic, when you first start acrylic, it will humble you, like, for real. Like, I wanted to quit. I was like, no, I don't want to do acrylic no more. This look horrible. But I feel like consistency, you get better. And I'm like somewhat around 7 months in, and I feel like my application has gotten better. Sometimes I mess up, especially when it's the temperature, and I'm still trying to like realize how temperature can affect your acrylic. It can mess up my application. But then if you have a good nail file, a good nail drill, you can always make that nail look nice. It just take you a lot longer. But what I learned is that with acrylic, it takes consistency, and the more you do it, the better you get. And I feel like I've improved a lot. Like within 7 months span, I feel like I'm doing pretty good. So I say that to say I like to challenge myself with new nail stuff. Now that I'm able to handle acrylic, I like to try new stuff. So the other day, I had tried aquarium. I did one nail just to see if I could figure it out. I've been watching a few videos, here and there, but I love aquarium nails. I did one, but it kind of like some of the stuff got stuck. So, I don't know. It's like a science to it. You got to do it just right so that way the stuff could move. You got to have enough room. But I still wanted the nail to look sleek, not bulky. So anyway, I'm going to be working on that too. I'm going to do a video of aquarium nails. If you want to see that video, comment down below. Let me know you want to see aquarium nails. Because I know I would look forward to doing that. Even if you don't comment, I'm going to do it anyway. But just let me know too if that's something y'all want to see, because I'm all here for aquarium nails. At first, like I said, didn't want to try it, but then I was like, I gotta challenge myself and try new stuff. And yeah. So y'all know I like to file my nails on camera. This is what I got, and it looks really good. I'm excited with the result. Like, I feel like it's very much giving birthday nails. Like, I'm a baddie, okay? So And that's the idea I was going for. Like, you know how birthday nails are super extra? I feel like each nail is extra, but still not like boom in your face. Well, maybe it is. I don't know. But I thought I caught the acrylic flowers on camera, but I wasn't in the frame. So I was like, oh my God, wow. I will get better with that. It's just hard. Sometimes it's hard filming. But I am going in with my Valentino. Y'all know I love this. It's my Valentino top coat. And I'm going in with that. And I'm going to polish the outside and the inside of the nail because I do have some clear parts. So you want to make sure that you polish the inside of your nails as well, so it can be as clear as possible. I find that this what is it, the Kari clear acrylic powder, it's not bad. I think it was like $13 for, or was it cheaper than that? But it's not a bad clear acrylic. So as we're finishing up, you know, I just want to say I love working with Rosalind Beauty. They have really pigmented polishes. As you can see, like, look at my nails. They look like acrylic, okay? So I love encapsulating polish. Sometimes you don't always have the acrylic that you need. And honestly, I feel like as a beginner, when you don't have all the color acrylics, you can easily go in with a good nail polish and encapsulate that. Because look, the nails came out beautiful. So as you can see, Rosalind gel is really good. It's small, very small bottles, but very good. So I just want to say thank y'all to watching my video. If you watched this far, thank you, thank you, thank you. I highly appreciate you. And I will talk to you in the next video. Also, let me know if you want me to do them aquarium nails, okay? But I will talk to you soon. Love you guys. Mwah.